नेट चल रहा है, उसी नेट चल रहा ना। हाँ जा तो है, रुक जा सेकंड में लेना
Hello, good morning, bachcho. Due to some technical problem, today our class was very late. But now I am solving some question yesterday asked by one student. The question number, this is question number 4th, third part. Exercise, last exercise of this chapter. 4th, third part is root AB minus root BC plus root CD, and is equal to prove that right hand side is equal to A minus B plus C, and then after that B minus C plus D. This is our question, and we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. The left hand side is and the starting we have given here. In the starting we have given A B C D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are in continued proportion. And when A, B, C, D are continued proportions, A upon B is equal to A upon B is equal to B upon C is equal to C upon D. This is the condition when any number are in the form of the continued. So let's suppose here we can take K. Okay. This is the very simple method. So A upon B is equal to K. It means A is equal to Bk. Next B is equal to Ck and C is equal to Dk. Substitute the value because C is coming once C is equal to Dk. But here also C is coming here. So we can substitute the value of this C in the case of B. So C is equal to Dk, then Dk square. So this is the final value of B. This is final value of C. Same here we can substitute the value of B here. So A is equal to Bk. What is the value of B? Dk square. So dk square and into k, then it is final k cube. So now taking the left hand side of the given question, and when we take the left hand side, the left hand side is root AB minus root BC plus root CD. So substitute the value one by one here. So root AB. What is the A? A is dk cube. So dk cube, and B is ck. Sorry, B is this part. Okay, dk square. Dk square. Next minus root BC. B is equal to dk square. B is equal to dk square, and C is equal to, what is the C? C is equal to dk and plus root CD. C is equal to dk, and D is equal to, what is the D? D is equal to, D is, we have not value of the D, so we will put the D remain same. Okay. Now substitute the all when we solve the left hand side. So this is D into D square, and k to the power 3 and k to the power 2. So this is k to the power 5 minus D square and k cube, and plus D square into k. Okay, so the number which can be come out from the square root, so we can take this number. Because this is d square. When we take it is from outside the root, then finally it become d. And you know that this is the k to the power 5. K to the power 5, k to the power 4 into k. We can write it in the form of k to the 4 into k. And when you calculate the square root of k to the power 4, then this become k square. Okay, or then k is remaining here. So d is out from the square root, k square is out from the root. 4 बचेगा, 4 का स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. And the remaining term is k, root k. Same here, d is common out, means d. What is the square root of d square? It is d is 2d into d, 1d. K, 3k are coming. So 1k is means square root. So then k is out, तो अंदर 1k बचेगा. Next plus यहाँ पे भी कितना? What is the square root of the d? Square root of d square is d and the remaining is root k. So root k and d and root k is common out. Common out. So remaining terms is k square. Remaining terms is k square minus minus k and plus 1. So this is the final value of the left hand side. After this we cannot solve it. Now taking the right hand side. Right hand side, what is your right hand side? It is root a minus b plus c. A minus b plus c and then b minus c plus d. One by one substitute the value here a b c d. So taking right hand side, so a, what is the a? A is root a. A is equal to dk cube. So dk cube minus b is equal to dk square. Dk square and plus c. C is equal to dk. C is equal to dk. And then remaining is b minus c plus d. So b is equal to dk square. Dk square minus c. C is equal to dk. C is equal to dk and plus d. Because there is, we have not the value of the d, so we will take d remain same. Then on solving this square root, कितना हो जाएगा सर? यहाँ देखो, this d d d is common out and one k is common out from the first bracket. dk is common out in the first bracket. So then this is k square minus k plus 1. K square minus k plus 1. Same here also d common out. So d common out, so k square minus k and plus 1. So देखो सर, this is d into d square and k. And what is the remaining? K square minus k plus 1, k square minus k plus 1. And as you know that both are the same digit, so same numbers, so we can write this thing k square minus k plus 1 and its whole square. Now find the root. What is the root of the d square? The d. What is the root of k? It is root k, because the k is coming with the root of the k. And what is the root of k square minus k plus 1 outside this square?
Hello, good morning students. Good morning to all of you. Just tell me fast. Are you hearing me? Tell me fast. Are you hearing me? Tell me fast. Please tell me fast. Are you hearing me?
Hope you understand this question. How can you calculate this? And the k method is very easy to solve this question. Okay.
Hello, good morning students. Hope you all are well and doing your work properly at your home. Today your time is changes, okay, and its scheduled is at 6:30, but due to some technical problems, because we are managing the our connectivity connections like as okay, there is I think 30 minutes late classes. Okay, please tell me fast. Are you hearing me? जल्दी बताओ so that मैं फिर क्लास स्टार्ट करूँ वहाँ पे. जल्दी बताओ.
So we have completed our question number 4. Now this is
Tell me.
question number 5. Question number 5. We have given here x upon a is equal to y upon b is equal to z upon c is equal to, let's suppose that this is equal to a, and left hand side is equal to ax minus by upon ax minus by upon a to the b and x minus y. This is our question plus dy minus dz upon b plus c y minus z, next plus cz minus ax and our whole upon c plus a and z minus x is equal to 3. So that right hand side is
upon x upon a is equal to. So can you calculate the value of x here? So the x is equal to x is equal to ak, then y is equal to bk, and z is equal to c. X is equal to ak, y is equal to bk, z is equal to c. So taking the reference value of this question, left hand side. Substitute one by one here the value of x, y, and z. So a is equal to a will remain same. X is equal to, we know that x is equal to ak. ak minus b into b, y is equal to bk. So can I am writing this in a and x is equal to ak, so a square and a minus b bk, y is equal to bk, then b square and a whole upon a plus b, and what is the x minus a? X is equal to ak and y is equal to bk. Now plus by minus cz. So b it remains in y is equal to bk. So y is bk and b is coming. B square into k and minus cz. So c is same, z is equal to cz. So c square and k. C square and k. Whole upon b plus c and same with y minus z. Y is equal to bk minus z is equal to ck. Z is equal to ck. Then plus cz minus c into z. Z is equal to ck. So c square into k and minus k and x is equal to